हेलो बच्चों, एम्स 2010 का क्वेश्चन है that a human female is born with a million of primary oocyte at the time of birth, but only around 500 eggs get a chance of maturity. Right? What is the destiny of rest of the eggs? Rest of the eggs differentiate back to thecal and granulosa cell. Rest of the egg nurture the dominant follicular cells. They move out of the ovary and are destroyed by leukocytes. WBCs की बात हो रही है. They are break down and are absorbed, that is degenerated follicular atresia. Atresia means death. देखो, the process of formation of a mature female gamete is called as oogenesis. The process of formation of mature female gamete is called as oogenesis. And this oogenesis, right, ये initiate हो जाता है, initiated during embryonic development only. ये कब initiate होता है? Embryonic development. Very different from spermatogenesis, right? And in the embryonic development, there are couple of million gamete mother cells are present. Gamete mother cells are present. और हमने उन्हें क्या बोला? oogon. What do we call them as? oogon. Right? Couple of million gamete cells are present in each ovary. बात समझ में? तो पहली कैलकुलेशन है कि जब एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट होता है तभी मिलियन गैमीट सेल्स बन जाते हैं एज oogonia इन ईच फीटल ओवरी. राइट? एट बर्थ, अब जब बर्थ होगा तब क्या होगा? A baby girl has approximately 7 to 2 million eggs, right? उसके बाद every single month of her life until she reaches puberty, जब वो puberty पे पहुंच जाएगी उसके बाद हर month, each month she undergo menstrual cycle, right? Right? Each month what happened? She has to ovulate, and when she ovulate, what happens? Around 500, right, eggs are ovulated. ठीक है? एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट की बात हो गई कि इतने एग सेल्स हैं, बर्थ की बात हो गई इतने हैं, प्यूबर्टी की बात हो गई, राइट? बाय द टाइम शी इज अराउंड हर टीन्स, उसके बीच में क्या हो? बर्थ और प्यूबर्टी के बीच में क्या हो? Every single month of her life until she reaches puberty, she loses approximately 11,000 eggs. बात समझ में आई? इन दोनों के बीच में जब तक वो प्यूबर्टी पे नहीं पहुंचती इतने eggs she will lose. And by the time she is in her teenage, puberty पहुंच गई, she has approximately how many million eggs? 3 to 4 million. और उसमें से कितने ओव्यूलेट हो पाते हैं? 5. रेस्ट ऑफ द एग्स का क्या होता है? जो बचे हुए एग्स हैं दे आर एब्सॉर्ब्ड एंड ब्रेक डाउन, राइट? एंड दिस इज नोन एज degenerative follicular atresia. What we called it as? Degenerative follicular atresia. बात समझ में आई कि oogenesis के टाइम पे इतने एग्स थे एक ओवरी में, couple of million gamete cells, right? बर्थ और प्यूबर्टी के चलते इतने खराब हो गए. She loses about 11,000 eggs from birth till puberty. After puberty, she is able to ovulate only this much. प्यूबर्टी के टाइम पे उसके ओवरी में कितने थे? इतने. तो बाकी का क्या होगा? They undergo death. Follicular atresia. So the correct answer for the question is option D. That rest of the eggs break down and are absorbed, and we called it as degenerative follicular atresia. So the correct answer for this question is option D. Thank you.